Imagine you have all of this to clear or to keep in place and you're so tired. You feel like just bathing and go to bed. But you know what? This vegetable, you see this vegetable? I must cook am this night. Because I don't want any single fresh to go away from that vegetable. So guys, this is our shopping and shoppable. So we're going to be doing arranging at the same time doing cooking this night. So first of all, let me put everything in place so that I can have space to do my do. Normally I'm supposed to clean all this place before clean and sort out the containers or the storage box before this order arrived, but it was just too quick. It was so quick, so I will have to, normally I just clean inside, but it's not dirty. I don't need to stress myself because I'm so tired. I'll just have to sort out some, the ones that are empty, refill, and the rest. That's what I want to do now. Join me guys. See, on my previous video when I made jollof rice, a lot of people were asking which rice I use. You see this rice, after you don't cook this rice, give your visitor finish, they ask you where you for buyer. So this is it guys. A lot of people were asking where I got my rice. I normally get all my food stuff from Wosu. So you guys know I don't use a sink tire for this group. You still see some people asking where did you get it, where did you get it. It's also guys, they just delivered this 10 kg, and let's do cleaning and arranging at the same time so I can have space to do my vegetable cooking. We just came back from hunting upon hunting since morning. Like, I'm super tired. I'm supposed to just take my shower and sleep, but you see this food, we must cook at this night.
But wait though, now why will you both people go bring that robot when you go press, it go help you do things when you want for us? Because like this, and my last strength that they used to, they do this thing while they do so. But anyway, I shall carry all the empty rubbers, pack and come off for inside the cabinet, then do the cleaning and cleanable before packing things inside.
See guys, these beans, if your family did not like eating beans like my husband, but immediately we got these beans from Wosu. Oh my god, beans started being our weekly food. It's so sweet. They call it honey beans, and the answer is so sweet, guys. Get some for yourself and try it. You're going to thank me later.
At this point, I don't mind use my last strength to pack all the rubbers come out. Now they pour the beans, put them inside this basket. The other time, one person say make I carry the beans, put inside freezer. Not be waiting the last time they put inside freezer. This one not going to reach 1 week for us. It don't finish. Anyway, I don't pack my gari, put inside, then load and put for inside the cabinet back again, because one thing where they do me every year, they tell know if you cook for inside. Now I make me want to use my last strength to do the cleaning first before I can use my last strength again to do the cook. Before I will forget, my dear, more cash fire. Una le better thing sha. Baby, wait for buy the bangaka. Wait for I don't use an sha tire now. Any food when I bring come out, all you need to do now to enter Wosu app. Go round, it go come out. And now when they not come out, now you come they ask, I'll get this woman for come buy this. At least before you start to they ask where you for buy, and because I don't use the name sha tire. Wosu for all my African food in the UK. The bangaka is currently available at Wosu, so go get your. Or anytime I see say they in stock like that, I go just pack and many, because I know the one usually here say is out of stock. So now the one when I use remain, I still did there. At this point, I don't pack all my salt, pack and come out when I go to wash this fresh pepper, because the way the pepper person and they like say no be your money you take buy and pack all the pepper, pour water, put just use hand touch and leave and make the salt. Do the auto washing before I can use my hand, pack and come out for inside filter, then come put them for inside ziploc bag. Before you enter inside my fridge, I go make sure say I wash them first, because everything for inside that fridge need to be clean, so that if you want cook, you just put your hand inside, carry and put her inside pot. No stress to wait, make it deflows first before you come wash and before you come put her inside pot. At this point, I don't pack her inside my freezer, make it suffer they lie down for there. Then come carry this my crayfish, carry and come and pour them inside tray. Remember saying I refill it and clean it there, so I need to refill my crayfish too, as the one when I don't blend before don't finish. Now I don't pour her inside this my odogun blender, then carry the empty one where don't remain almost small to finish, carry and come back to prepare and pour them inside. As I know they let me my crayfish over blend, I better use this bigger one before madam go fall for ground. Make I first use this one step down first.
Finally done. I told my husband to come and help me to arrange the noodles there. Anytime when you're free, say never get chance now. So you help me to do that one. Put the noodles there. So this is my kitchen, and at least I could be able to manage and sort them out. It's time to cook. Guys, for those of you that normally ask where I got my African food stuff, I'm going to be leaving the link along with this video under my first comment on my Facebook. Like, they will be tagged, also will be tagged under the comment. You can click on it. They are on Facebook, they are on Instagram, they are on TikTok. So if you want to reach them, you can reach them on Instagram. But The link to get all your food shopping will be leaving I'll be leaving the link under the comment section, guys. You can click on it to shop. You can download their app. Like me, I normally have their app. I just go there as if I'm using my normal WhatsApp app to shop whatever I want to shop and deliver everything. Normally deliver fresh. So I'll be leaving the link and their website under my first comment on Facebook, depending on where you're watching this video from, but just go to Facebook, you're going to see their link. But every other app, I'll tag them in case you want to get anything, guys.